Hey guys, have something for you interesting. I think that I'm gonna share with you. It's basically a review about unboxing accessory we got home today from the Challenger store in Singapore, and this is what it is. Can you guys guess what exactly is this? I mean, it's a wireless keypad. We got this to utilize, make it more usable in terms of having an iPad connected to this, in terms of doing any projects instead of doing any kind of presentation. It will be very helpful and it will be quick and easy. So I am firstly going to show you the name of this brand. As you can see here is Alcatraz. I mean, we were searching for different types of wireless keypad. We were seeing which are the options available, and we came across this, which was very light. See in the Challenger store. There were a couple of them, but we really liked this one. It was very smooth. It looked very sleek, and I'm gonna take you through some of the features that are mentioned here. And it's called Explorer Dock 2B Bluetooth wireless keyboard. So you can easily connect to your iPad through Bluetooth. And some of the features that's mentioned here is Bluetooth 3.0, ultra slim and portable, extremely durable, up to 5 million keystrokes. I don't know exactly what's that, but yeah, rechargeable battery and multi-touch trackpad. All in all, really excited to open this one. Up to 3 devices simultaneously. That is really awesome. You can pair it with 3 devices simultaneously. And usage time is about 50 hours. Wow, that's like a use time, yeah. And charge time is 2 hours, which is fair enough. And the keyboard dimension is around 320. (160 into 18 mm). And package contains one Explorer Dock 2 Bluetooth wireless keyboard, the main system, and then one USB charging cable and one user manual. So without wasting any time, I'm going to unbox this, and then I'm going to connect it to the iPad. And yeah, so you must be asking what's the price of this wireless keypad, and so we've got it in Challenger store in Singapore at the and it's coming to around 59.90 Singapore dollars. And in terms of INR, if you take as per the current rate, I think it's going to be in INR around 3,000 rupees. It was extremely cost effective. At the same time, it looked very sturdy and it looked very stylish. So now I'm going to unbox this, so hopefully cut the time we need to make our presentations or projects.
So nicely done box, as you can see, there are seals from both the sides. We haven't actually used this brand before, and that's the product is. And it basically had good reviews also. The sides, and I think now I'm going to just open it this way. Yeah. So
as soon as I open it, I'm just going to keep the cover to the side. As soon as I open it, there is the user manual. There is this keypad. And trust me, it looks absolutely fantastic. I like the white color. And another best feature is you can keep the iPad exactly in this section. So also you can keep your phone. So at the same time you have your phone closer. There were a lot of keyboards without this feature, but we thought that this feature is very critical because you don't want to keep your iPad at a different space and then keep adjusting it as per the keyboard. You can actually keep it on your lap, or you can keep it on a table and use it very efficiently. That's how it looks. Extremely neat, no damage whatsoever. It seems in perfect condition, and it's extremely light. If you see this here, and sleek. So I'm just going to show you how sleek this is. So really excited to use this. Right on the main feature to how you activate is this on-off button right here that you can see. You just need to go to on, and then there is a blue light that comes in for the Bluetooth, as you can see here. Maybe it's not visible, but there's a blue light that comes in. And now I'm gonna try to pair it with the iPad. So guys, I've unboxed it completely, the Explorer Deck 2, and I have actually placed, as you can see, the iPad into the Explorer Deck 2. It's really good. I switched on the button, then you just have to press the connect button, and it connected instantly to the iPad, and I'm extremely happy in terms of the connectivity. There was no problem. I'm just gonna charge it a little bit, and as you can see, it looks good also. So it's a nice white keyboard. Even the keys are extremely light to use, and there is this function here. Really happy, and I'm looking forward to working with this wireless keyboard. So here's the unboxing, my first video. More things to come on my channel. It's just the start. I'm revving up in terms of my content, not just unboxing but singing, food, recipes, vlogging. I'm gonna try all in one. I'm going to give you interesting content, and I hope you guys love it. And if you really like it, please do like, share, subscribe, put in your comments in the comment section. Please do let me know. Yeah, thank you and take care. Bye everyone.